let's go again. Great white egret. Beautiful bird. Here, baby. I know. They don't like eating behind the house. They like the side. They're used to that. Because for 6 years, I'm feeding the bird the same way. It's okay, baby. No, it's okay, sweetheart. Bird's like, why are we back here? We eat on the driveway. Because I can't. Because the neighbors are going to get me. So we have you over here. In the back. Nice and safe. Yes, sweetheart. That's right. Nice and safe. Beautiful bird. Great white egret. Probably 3 feet tall. It's very windy today. Eating these hot dogs for 10 years, guys, so it's not a worry. They like them. They'll only eat what they like. So if there's something you put out here they don't want it, they will not eat it. They don't just eat anything, like the seagulls, which I don't have anymore because the neighbors got rid of them. So we get 1 to 2 birds a day until she goes back home.